Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to go for the app gallery. After that we have to go for the search pool and type here Opera Mini. Let's get this application. Right now we can open. Accept permissions. And right now just simply tap on this icon in the right corner and check if the ad blocking is turned on, like in our case. And after that we can enter, for example, this website. We don't want to switch to the reader mode, and as you can see here we get the notifications that the first ads were blocked. And when we scroll down the website we cannot find here any ads. Well, let me just go back. As you can see we are free from the ads on this website. And when you tap here one more time you can check how many ads were blocked. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.